Hello guys, today I'm here with three latest and advanced words by which you can influence others. So what are you waiting for? Let's get to start without wasting further time. First one is on fleek, means perfectly done. Suppose your friend cooked rajma chawal for you and she called you on dinner. So she is asking, how's it? You'll say on fleek. It's on fleek. Okay. Second word is shady, which means to be very sneaky, or you can say suspect. Suppose a person comes to you and says, please invest here, ma'am, and you'll get double up after a year. So, what will you feel? Like there's something wrong, right? Or something kind of sneaky or scam, probably. So, what will you do? You will say that it's shady, right? It's shady. I feel shady. Now, third word is slay. Slay. There are two situations, or you can say two meanings. First one is to do really well or succeed at something. Suppose one of your friend has cracked NEET exam. So you can say, Abhishek, you just slayed it. You just slayed it, Abhishek. Now, second situation or meaning is uh, a person who looks beautiful or well on his or her outfit. So you can simply use this word slay, like Manisha was looking beautiful means Manisha slayed at Big Boss house. Bye bye, have a nice day.